Hey guys, this is a special moment for me. This is the first box I get from Jesse James Bead in, oh God, I don't know, like several months. So this is very special. And I don't even know what month this is. So, let's see. Open it up. Let's see. And I must say I am happy that they changed the box size to this smaller one, because it's easier to open. The other one was so hard. All right, this one's called Autumn Woods, August 2021. So it's about a month late. Doesn't matter. Owls, I like owls. All right. What's out there? Okay, we have to check this out. Here's what's inside. All right, let's have it here. Let's see. We have a very beautiful little strand here. Oh, with all the autumn colors. Look at this. And owls in here too. Very pretty. Can use this as a necklace. Just a necklace. Well, as a bracelet, I was going to say. Wow, this is so cool. And this must be called Who's Ready for Fall bead strand. Look at this. Amazing. I'm really into these type of colors. I think they're very beautiful. Oh, another one. See if we have another strand. Wood fire bead strand. Maybe. I don't know. Could it be this one? We don't know. But it's really pretty. This one, the first one here, had a little bit smaller beads. And this one's nice and chunky. Very pretty. Very pretty. Okie dokie. Let's see. What is this? It's a little package. It's a stone. Okay, now how are we going to do this? Let's see if we can open it up with the scissors. This is, oh, it's very nice. And there is, I don't know, is there a hole there? Yeah, a small one. Let's see what this is. Bead set mini bead mixed bead strand. Okay, it's a stone pendant. Nobody knows what kind of stone it is, but it's really pretty. It's like pink with it's pink with the different shades of pink in it. It's very nice. Okay. I'm sorry. And then we have, what is this? Moss and Fern bead mix. Should we open it up? Yes, I think we should. I love all these little baggies that they have in there. It's so nice. And they do like tape as well. Okay, let's see. Oh, looks really nice. This was, what was it called? It was called Moss and Fern. Okay. Look at this. I really do love all the bead mixes they have, but I think it's kind of hard to actually, I'm not super great with this, but I think it's kind of hard to make something. Everything is so beautiful as is. I think. So it's kind of hard. What is this? This is what is that? Oh, it's a little squirrel. He was so small. There's another one, some green and wood. I don't work with wood that much. What is that? Oh, they're very, very nice. It's a very pretty mix. Let's put it over here. Very nice. And then we have something called falling leaves. I think this is a bunch of leaves. Yep. Let's have a look. And the tape here. Let's see what this is. Ooh, we have, let's see, we have some dark bronze leaves. We have, oh, these are so nice. This is, I'm not sure if this one is that, but these are normal leaves, like natural leaves that they, I don't know what they do really. They do something to them, they spray paint them or something, and it turns out like this. Very nice. These are plastic, 2 big plastic beads. I don't actually ever use plastic in my things. They're nice, but not for me. And this is nice. It's also a dark bronze metal leaf. It's cool. And we have another one of those. 2 small golden leaves. And 2 wooden leaves as well. And 2 of the bronzish. These were a little less dark. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but yeah, they're nice. Dark. A bunch of leaves here. Very good. I should maybe push this a little bit. This one's okay. There. And then we have a bead mix called mulled cider. Don't mill the cider, of course. Let's see. Oh, it's nice colors in here. Oh, very nice, very nice. Let's pick these up. Well, I can do that later. Look at these. Wow. Very, very nice. And it's a very sparkly topaz-y color. Very pretty. And these I like. These are, I think they're called like fancy glazed ceramic beads. I don't know if you can see that. They're very pretty. Oh, and we have, what is this? The little, I don't really know how to use these. Because, well, I don't know. These are pretty. Very nice. It's a very pretty autumn mix. Did I see a hair? A cat hair. All right. And then we put them down here. A lot of them. And then we have, what is the, oh, this is a pumpkin spice bead mix with seed beads. First up we have gold. And then we have a very nice, I think it looks like coral, maybe. Maybe not. It's like a light apple color. And then we have, I think it's dark bronze. And then we have very pretty yellow color. I'm not going to take these out because they will be all over my room. Okay. There. And then we have, this is called red cap mushroom amanita muscaria. Well, I don't know what that is. Red cap mushroom. Let's leave it at that. There. They are very well packed, I must say. Hard to open. But that's good. So, well, this was very hard, actually. Let's see. These guys are still in there. Let's see. Oh. Pretty, pretty. Oh, look at the colors. Wow. These are glass. I have the camera the other way around. That's why I'm over here all the time. So, well, sorry about that. This is, oh, look at this. Is this maybe a red-capped mushroom? I guess. It's kind of nice. There. I think he's pretty. Do we have two of them? Suppose not. Could have made for a pair of kind of cool earrings. And we have lots of golden bead caps. This color, I don't really know what that is called. It's like cranberry or something. What is that? It was the tiniest tassel I have ever seen. Really, really small. Cool, very pretty. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Let's see. No. Just the regular pink stuff and a little bead. All right, so that was it. But it's very, very nice, I must say. Don't you think so? Look at all these beads. It's kind of a lot. I like this green mix over here. What was it called? Something with moss, I think. Let's see. Red cap, moss and fern. Very nice. Let's see what happened to the camera there. I don't know. Okay, this is called moss and fern. And this is super pretty. I love these green beads. I must say I like everything except maybe these plastic leaves. I don't like that. So this was, where did we see this? August 2021. It's called Autumn Woods. And I like it very, very much. I do. I always like these postcards. It's not maybe a postcard, but these cards. They're very pretty too. All right, so I also hope that you liked what's in this box. And, well, that was it for this time. All right, bye-bye. See you next time. Bye.